Hello guys, this is your host Mr. GB. Everybody have the same problem called lag, frame rate drop, and sometimes the phone will get hanged and overheated. So I got a solution for you. For better performance and better frame rates, we have this app called as e.t.c. It is a graphics tool which is used to change the graphic settings of the PUBG Mobile. So and the link is in the description below. For now, open the app and change the settings as shown. Follow the step by step. Yes, step by step. Okay, now you will get a screen like this, and in that we need to change a few settings. Click on the graphics quality and set it to smooth or balanced like the guy shown above. But now seriously, click smooth or balanced in the mode. For now we are selecting smooth, and the resolution set it to low or medium. Resolution doesn't matter in the graphics. Okay, next we need to select the color style. I am selecting classic. For now you may select any of the options shown above, and we need to set the frame rates to 30 fps, 40 fps or 60 fps. Basically, if we play the game directly, it will set to 30 fps. We need to change it to 60 fps for greater performance and the anti-aliasing, which is very crucial if you want to see the enemy before he render out of the distance. Set it to 4x if you want to go for sniping, or else just set it to none if you want a better quality and better settings. We have the light effects. I set to low, yes, low, or medium or high. I said low, but now I'm gonna change it to none. And the graphics API set OpenGL 2.2 or OpenGL 3.1, that doesn't matter. But Vulkan it can't run anything, so leave it. Set it to Vulkan, or if you want to check to for now I'm gonna set it to OpenGL. In different mobiles it will be different, and click on the apply button, then the settings will be applied, and start the and click the button run game, and let the game to load and until you guys see the lobby. Okay, now I'm gonna check out the graphic settings I have done below. Okay, basically I have set the recording quality to 30 fps so that I can record for long in some low MB. We can see that the graphics is loading now, as this is the first time we are opening the app of the settings. Okay, if you can see, the game is running smoothly. As I set to the 30 fps, you can see the full game effect. I can see that while I'm playing it's a 60 fps smooth gameplay, but now it's enough. If we got a 60 fps, we can see the enemies before anyone can see, and we can move quickly, and we can kill the enemy faster than anyone. Basically some people are using iPhone X and Samsung S9 like a greater quality mobiles, but someone who can't afford can do it in this damn Android phones. But now it's easy to get a 60 fps, but we can't get any quality. Yes, quality like high definition or HDR and Ultra HD, anything like that. But now I like this. Yes, I like this 60 fps experience. So sorry for the recording quality. As I set it to 30 fps. As you can see, I can aim perfectly, move smoothly. Sorry, I suck at aim, but don't worry, I'm gonna improve it as well as anyone can do. But now it works. See, smooth, but I can't aim perfectly. See, I'll shoot the entire magazine into the. Sometimes it shows the prompts like this: press press on OK or just decline it. Yeah, what it doesn't do anything if you have set it to smooth or sorry, if you set it to medium or balanced, it matters. It will change the graphic settings to a step behind. So as we can see, it's a 60 fps smooth gameplay. Sorry, you can't see that I have set it to 30 fps. Sorry for that. Now if I can get a recording device or recording card, I can do a 60 fps. Now you can see me, I can drive very fastly with this. The main thing while driving is if your frame rate is very low, it's gonna matter. Yes, it's gonna matter. If you're playing with a low FPS, you can turn sharp, you can do sharp turns. Here you can see I can do sharp turns. So I suck at this game. I do play Free Fire, Rose, Survival Royale. I like those kind of battle royale games, but I have never controlled a vehicle like these controls. So it's gonna be some kind of creepy to me, but it works. You can see that. I can do sharp turns over here, and over there. It works, huh? Yeah, I like this application, and even this game. I like the PUBG Mobile. The full experience of the PUBG in just a mobile. Okay, I'm gonna leave this vehicle into the water. Okay, exit. What the fuck, dude? Okay, now you can see me. I can swim in the water. See, there's a target bar. I'm gonna hit it. You know what? I just have 5 ammunition. Don't worry, I'm gonna get the one. It's just a trying session, so no need to worry about that. I'm gonna hit the board at any cost. Miss. Okay, I got only 1 bullet. Okay, if you can see behind, the water texture is not good as expected. But look at the graphics. You can watch over there. The render distance have been increased. So we can play the game. Okay, let's get to the lobby. Okay, I think you have enjoyed my video, and I think it may be useful to you. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Share it with your friends. Your friend may be playing the PUBG Mobile and he's like, oh, this game is just striking with my mind. So don't do that. Share it with your friends, and thanks for watching. Comment for the next video, and bye friends. My QID is below.